All right, y'all. Let's hit it with this Green Day recap in the simulator. Bad day to be back in the simulator. Made bank today. Bank. So traded a little bit of EPIX, a little bit of NUVL, and QNGY was the one today, and I was in it. But I didn't do that great. You would think I did, considering it made 1,600. But what had happened was I had an appointment, so I had to leave. I don't know, maybe 20 minutes after the bell, something like that. So I got in the pre-market, right? So it was what was it, like the number 2 gap or something like that today. So I was messing around with it, and I got red. So here we are right here at 190. I had 1,000 shares, add another 1,000 at 184, and it was just hugging the 20 day, the 20 EMA, and it was the top gapper. It was pretty cheap, so I think I had, I don't know, maybe like a 15-cent stop or something like that, and I was like, you know what? It's not breaking down going into the open. I'm just gonna hold it and see what happens. And you can see it starting to curl before the open. And I added another 1,000 shares right there at 182. I was probably already even or green by that point anyway. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5,000 shares going into the open. And then she just took off, like, got green on this 1 minute candle, another green on this 1 minute candle, and I bailed at like 2:05 because I had to go. Like it's already 9:30. I had an appointment at 10, so I had to wrap it up real quick. So I had, I don't know, about 5,000 shares at like 184. So get green, get out. And I bailed, went to my appointment. My appointment was canceled. I was like, man, I could still be trading, but it's like, you know what, man? Like, be happy to be green. Take what you can get out. Because totally could have been red. Totally could have been red. If I just bailed here and called it a day, I would have been red. I was probably red $300-400, something like that. But look at this move it kept making. And got the high of 3. Oh no, it kept going over here too. We got up to 448. So I could have made it. I mean, not doing anything different. What's that like? At least 4,000. Like at least $4,000 today. At least. And that's assuming I didn't add on these big candles right here. Because looking at it, like, didn't have much of a reason to get out until this candle right here. You got these 3 red candles in a row. Like, he's like, a little 1 minute pullback. Look, 1 minute pullback. Like, as long as this trend is going up, probably could have stayed in there, just move your stop up. So, that's the type of day it was today. A lot of people made some money. Some people made some money on this. This LOL right here. Don't trade this stock. This is why I'm back in the sim. Like, this dude got up to $22 today on low volume. Like, this stock's a scam company. Like, out of nowhere. It's the 5 minute. No, it's 5 minutes. Check the daily. Like, this thing just had this day where it spiked up to 1278, crashed back down, crashed all the way back down, We got a full round trip here, the wrong way. But it started curling back up. So I was up here. Don't tell nobody. And I'm like, bag holder, just hold it. This day I sold some. I was like, man, this is ridiculous. But this day it was like, oh, it dipped and recovered. I'll wait another day. This day it was green a little bit. This day was sideways. And then boom, it's like, man, this thing is gonna pop and drop again. So I just put my sell order in. I thought it was gonna hit yesterday, but today it hit, and I was mad. I was like, man, I should have put that sell order sky high. It would have been a good day. It would have been a good day, but I didn't do it. But whatever, I got out even. I actually made some money on it. Like, I think I made like 500 on it, something like that. You know, it was just good to free up my account because a bag holder sucks. Sucks big time. But yeah, that's what happened today. I mean, I don't think it was nothing to really see here. I see some bad trades here. Oh, false break, that's what happened here. Gets me every time. So I ended up averaging down, which is bad. I need to stop doing. I need to just like, well, I wouldn't have to average down if I took the L. So that's what I need. I need to take the L early because I can find good stocks. It's just that I can also dig myself into deep holes. So stop digging deep holes. Somebody take the shovel away. Take it away. I don't need it. Yeah, kind of the same thing here. Like it pulled back. It kind of held the VWAP, held the moving averages. So it's like, okay, it might do something on open. And I'm sure somebody got this dip trade right here and boom, out. But it never came back above the VWAP after this little run right here. So she wasn't really the one. And I wasn't really paying attention to nothing much else. I know some other stuff was popping. I think somebody said something about HTCR. What happened here? HTCR? HRCT? Nah, I don't like that. Ain't none. But yeah, whatever. See, I was been back in the sim this week and I made some good money in the sim. It's like, man, should have been in the sim last week. So today's stats are not there today, are they? So it's saying I'm making $458 a day. That's not right. Well, whatever. But one thing I need to work on, like, I'm right 70% of the time, but I'm not making good money or I'm losing money because my P&L sucks. Best way to get my P&L better is to stop losing. But you're always going to lose. I'm always losing 30% of the time anyway. When I'm losing, I need to get out. But it's mental. And ain't no telling how long it takes. But what the heck? It was just 0.55, wasn't it? Did that just change? Am I getting played? What happened here? But anyway, 49. I didn't reset my simulator. They did an update and it blew all my stuff out. So, but yeah, I'm consistently around 70% winners and losers. But my P&L is consistently not that great because I hold losers too long. Gotta fix that. What else we got here? Where my mouse at? Wrong screen. Oh yeah, so today didn't even ship, so that would help my P&L a little bit. Extra 1,600 or whatever that was. So in the simulator, 3 days, 3 green days. Yep, bro. But what else we got in here? My hold times have been kind of long too. I thought it was in here. Average winner time, 2 minutes. Average loser time, 1 minute. 2 to 1, that's getting better. But we'll keep an eye on this as time goes on. But yeah, that was today, October 28th, 2022. And hopefully we get into the bottom of this crappy market because, yeah, I've sucked lately. But so has this market. Like, you don't learn how to trade in this market until you trade in this market. And, this market's trash. But when you got good days, you got to take advantage of them. I'm sure some people had some big numbers today, but I'll take what I can get. A little 1881, I'll take it. But all right, that's it. Keep hustling.